everyone, welcome to the Sino-Pack. I'm the host for today, Yummy. Now we come to a new exhibition hall called Omori. So how about the latest technology and how about its interesting information? Just take a look. And I can see a gentleman just right here. So say hi to our friends.
Hello everyone, welcome to our booth. I'm Winston from Beijing Omori. Our company, Beijing Omori, is a Japan venture and we were founded in 1994 and located in Beijing. Relying on our technology from Japan and combined with our years of accumulation and development, now we can provide various packaging machines to meet the different demands of the customers. Our yearly output is about 500 sized machines, and our machines are sold to more than 60 countries all over the world.
Okay, so after your introduction, you know the audience are more curious about your products. So which one you want to show us?
Okay, I'd like to introduce this one firstly.
The machine just behind us. So how about it?
This one is, we call it 4-set sealing machine. You can see this package, it has 4 sets sealed.
Yeah.
And this machine is mainly for the product of plaster and medical gauze and other products.
Okay, take a look at that.
And this packaging speed can reach 110 packs per minute. And in this section, we have a design of film slitting structure, and by this structure, the package can be copied very beautiful.
Yeah, we can see, you know, it's the full one piece, and then they can cut and cut and cut, and just like a pen, it's right there.
Yes, this is the film unwinding. We call it film supply unit, and you can see this is a 1 roll film. And here, it is divided into 2 parts. One is the bottom, and the other is the top.
Yeah.
And the products come from conveyor, come into this tube, then be sealed, and then cut here. The final product is like this.
And we can see
you can see the final
complete
product.
pack. And it's a little bit, you know,
yeah,
warm.
because it's hot sealed.
Okay. So this is our packet right here. And so that's all for this machine, right?
Yes.
So how about the next one?
Next one is that fresh film packing machine. Let's go to that machine. Okay,
go to this. And I can see that, you know, control panel just right here. And we can see another big guy. Okay, so how about this one?
Okay, this one is a full servo control system machine. And you can see the product.
Oh, for the vegetable?
Yeah, for this kind of product, fresh keeping. Yeah, you only put the fresh food into this tray, and this machine can automatically wrap the fresh film. The finish you see is very beautiful.
Okay.
And this packaging machine speed can reach 150 packs per minute.
And so it's fast, right?
Yes. And it is very intelligent. The speed can be adjusted by itself according to the product supply. And you can see this bottom. Yes. We use this kind of cutter. This is our patent, and by this cutter we can save a lot of film. Yeah.
Okay.
And you see this. The total length is about 5 meters. It is a small medium.
Smaller than the other machine.
Yes.
Okay, got that. So that's all for this. This one. So. Would you have more things to share to our audience?
Yes. Actually, these are only 2 kinds of machines on this show. Our company can also provide
various machines in your company, and
different types of machines. Apart from this, we can provide the fruit wrappers and the cotton kissers, the cotton packers, and the automatic packing line, such as for the instant noodle, for bread, cake, biscuit, and for fresh meat, for medicines. Yeah.
So we can see in our daily life.
Yes, yes. In your daily life, almost everything is that our machine can pack.
Okay. So that's all for our audience, and thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
From Omori. And if you want to know more things about Omori, just focus on our show, and keep to contact on the Sino-Pack. Our WeChat official account is, you can just type the SINOPACK that you can in the WeChat official account, and you can find us. So maybe we could see you next year, and you are our own client.
Yes.
Thank you.
If possible, welcome you to Beijing to visit our company.
Okay.
And there you can see many of different products, and you can see all this assembly process. You can know our company better.
Okay, know the company better, know the brands better. So thank you very much, and focus on our show. See you next time. See you next at Big Shen Port. Bye bye.
Bye.